Hey guys, this is Garima from Idle Doodle once again. Diwali is just around the corner, and I thought of making a quick video about Diwali. For those who don't know what is Diwali, Diwali is a very huge festival in India. It is considered as the festival of lights. You can read the brief about Diwali on Google. But I thought of making a quick video. In this video, I am going to show you three super easy ways how to draw a diya, and you can use how to make a diya in various things like making greeting cards or making a rangoli or just drawing along with your kids or etc. Any which way, I have a very humble request to all of you that please celebrate pollution free Diwali. Don't burst crackers. Stay indoors, celebrate it with your family, play games, and eat lots of food, good food. But please try to celebrate pollution free Diwali. It's the need of the hour that we start celebrating pollution free Diwali. Now, let's hop on to the video. I hope you like this video. Comment down below if you want me to do any other Diwali related video. Happy Diwali in advance from my side to your. Till then, take care everyone.